visiting Singapore at a sad moment. The passing away of His Excellency Lee Kuan Yew marks the end of an era. He was among the tallest leaders of our times. Singapore's transformation in one generation is a tribute to his leadership. In the 50th anniversary year of Singapore's independence, I'm sure that he left satisfied with Singapore's achievements and confident about its future. He inspired not just South Asia, but all of Asia to believe in its own destiny. He was a global thinker who saw things ahead of others. He was an advocate of economic progress, but also made tireless efforts to advance peace and stability in our region. In India, we deeply valued his friendship and his support for India's economic progress and a global role. He believed in India's potential more than many of us did. India's economy is growing rapidly. India's relations with Singapore are one of our strongest relationships in the world. India's integration with Southeast Asia and beyond is growing. Singapore is a key pillar of India's Act East policy. So, his vision is coming true. The seeds he sowed are being fruits today. Personally, he was a source of inspiration for me. His achievements and thoughts give me confidence in the possibility of India's own transformation. The people of India share this nation's grief over the loss of its founding father and leader. We are observing a day of public mourning in India today in honor of the departed leader and the deep bonds of friendship that we share with Singapore. I bring here today the condolence and prayers of the people of India.
धरने पर बैठना एक लोकतांत्रिक अधिकार है। हिंदुस्तान का संविधान किसी भी आदमी को धरने पर बैठने की इजाजत देता है। अगर वो अहिंसक तरीके से, शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से अपनी बात को रखना चाहते तो रखने दीजिए। ये तो इस बात का प्रमाण है कि योगेंद्र जी के अंदर लोकतांत्रिक मूल्य हैं। हमारे अंदर लोकतांत्रिक मूल्य हैं। हमारे यहाँ कोई डिक्टेटरशिप नहीं है।